Hey! Hey everybody, this is Sully with 5 freaking onion rings, and today I have failed. This guy with this eyebrow went Christmas shopping in the mall, and holy crap. I didn't think, we went late. We went to South Park Mall in Charlotte, South Park. It's a wealthy people mall, you know. Oh, it's late, you know, everyone's gonna be going to dinner, and, you know, we'll get out of there early and we'll go have dinner ourselves afterward. Just have a late dinner, and it's cool. It's like 7 o'clock. How bad South Park was. And so we went to South Park. We pulled in the parking deck. The second you got in the parking deck, you realize that I have made a mistake. Holy crap. So getting out of just the parking deck was an extra 45 minutes that I just could not deal. And I thought, oh, I'm going to come home and I'll get to do something. But no, not at all, man. Whew. So here I am with not much except for, I'm going to talk about another question. I want to talk about another question that you get about quads that will drive you insane once you start flying. Now, admittedly, when I started, I did the same thing. And I feel so stupid for it. The number one question I asked and got asked, I would ask the same question. Hey bro, you gotta say bro. Hey bro, what pids? What are your 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 pids? Your pids, your pids, your pids, your pids, your pids. And I have an answer for it today. I have an answer. Stock. Okay? Stock. I gotta tell you. Like, since Betaflight 3.2 or 3.3, stock pids on a 3-inch are fantastic. Stock pids on a 5-inch are fantastic. Stock pids on a 2.8-inch are fantastic. Stock pids on the UK65 are fantastic. So to the programmers of Betaflight, holy crap. Admittedly, every now and then you might be like, oh, I got a little bounce back. When the D's too high or too low, you get a little bounce back. Or every now and then you might be like, ooh, my motor's a little high. But the only thing I've changed on any of my quads, and that was on the Leader 120, whenever I put stock pids on it. This is a 2.8, not this one, but my Leader out time. But anyway, it was a 2.8 inch quad. Stock pids, I know they're designed to be best for a 5-inch or whatever, but they're not. They're good all around. And what you have are just really good pids out of the gate with Betaflight. Like, it's amazing. So the only thing I had to change on my 2.8-inch Leader 120 was TPA, because in the upper end, like the upper 5% or 10% of the throttle, I would get some vibration. Or not vibration, oscillations. And once I bumped that down a little bit, no problem at all. Like, anything I get from like a little bit of prop wash or a little bit of like whipping around corners, because I'm flying a light quad and I'm whipping into the wind, like into the prop wash. So that's harder to tune out. But even with the 4.0 betas I've been testing, that is even almost gone. And that's amazing. So when someone says, hey, what are your pids? Just say stock. And tell the person what I'm telling you right now. Stock is great. You can tweak a little bit here and there, but I mean, within 5%, stock is amazing. And the number one thing that you have to do to enjoy this hobby, the only thing that you really have to do now is have a quad and go fly. Deuces.